Okay, hi, welcome to my little demo on how to work out attitude to learning scores from homework. So of course not everybody has to do this, but I thought useful to show if you have a school like mine where you have to be able to do this. So first thing then, I've got my students over here who are obviously fictional, and then my homework tasks going across, so topic 1, homework 1, topic 1, homework 2, etc. all the way along to homework 4 and topic 2. So the first thing I want to do is total them up, which is literally put in your equals, sum, and then open brackets, and you can click on your first one, shift, click on your last one, close your brackets, press enter. If you're using Google Sheets, it often tries to be very helpful and do these things for you. So you can say, yes, please, to the suggested autofill. If it doesn't come up with the suggestion, you just click on your first one, see where this come to the corner here, makes a little plus, and drag it down. And therefore, you've now got the total number that each student's done. So I've decided that if they've done 9 or 10 homeworks, they can have an excellent. If they've done between 6 and 8, they can have a good. 4 to 5 poor, and under 4 satisfactory. But I don't want to sit there and work through this with every single one, particularly when I've got lots and lots of students. So I'm going to use nested if statements, which basically asks it to look up what's here and then to put in the correct wording. So, for example, equals if, open brackets, and then that one. All right, so you always want to open your brackets before you tell it which one you want it to look at. So if that is greater than 8, right, so larger number than 8, I want it to put in the word excellent. So what I've done here is just an if, open brackets, the name of the cell, greater than equals 8, and then you have to put a comma in before you put in the term and put it into quote marks what you want it to do. Put your comma in again, and now I want to go on to my second instruction. So again, you put if in again, you open your bracket again, and you say, no, I still want you to look at this one. And so this one, I want if it's greater than equals 5, comma, I want you to put in good. Close my quote marks, put in my comma. I've got 2 more to put in here, 2 more things I want it to look up. If this one is greater than equals 3, so 4 or above, I want it to put in poor. Oh, hang on, let's put a capital letter there because I've put capitals on the others. And then finally, if, open brackets, cell you want. Now this time I want to do it the other way round. So I want to say if that's larger than equals 4, sorry, less than equals 4, sorry, got my words muddled there. I want it to say unsatisfactory. Close my quote marks, and the last thing you have to do is just close all your brackets. So you can see you've got 4 here, so bracket 1, bracket 2, bracket 3, bracket 4, press enter, and it has changed it over for you. So this time I'm just going to say yes please autofill. So of course you can do this. Yes, it takes a little while to work out your first formula, and I'll put this on the blog so you can copy and paste it across and just adapt it to what you want it to be. Yes, it takes a while for the first formula, but of course when you've got multiple classes to do, you can literally just sum it up, get it to work it out, and then copy it across. One warning though, because what you've created here is based on a formula, if I just copied it the usual way, so Control C, and then put it over here in Control V, it's going to come up with unsatisfactory because it's trying to look up the box next door. So instead of doing that, copy it the normal way. So click on your top one, shift down to your bottom, Control copy. But instead of just doing a normal paste, go to whichever spreadsheet you want to go to, and then go edit, paste special, and values only. Or you can use the shortcut Control Shift V instead of just Control V. And then it'll keep the words in exactly the same order because it's no longer taking the formula across, it's taking the text instead. So I hope that's a useful 5-minute guide to saving you effort on working out the effort of your students.